Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. It's a Sunday. It is the 31st. This is the last day of the month and it's Easter Sunday. But I decided to come and show you, yeah, obviously I look like I've never had the barbershop before, but hey, it is what it is. Sometimes you just gotta be rough, not always smooth. But today I'm gonna show you why I think in the future I won't be buying shop bought garlic to plant. Because let me just show you. Okay guys, have a look at these. Are the ones that I purchased online for the purpose of growing some beautiful garlic. Look at the stems, look at the strength in what they are doing. Look at the growth there. Excuse my dirty hands here. Look at the growth. These garlics are doing amazing. Look at the strength. These are just beautiful. Absolute amazing. This is like the best garlic season in terms of the ones that I purchased online for the purpose of growing compared to the ones I bought in the shop for cooking. Yeah, let me do that. Let me just show you. Take you over there to my experiment. But I'm not going to dig them up. I'm not going to take them out. I'm going to keep them there and still use them. I still might get a minor bump, tiny little bump of garlic or a garlic in itself. Maybe I'll be lucky to get something, but I'm not going to be deterred by that. Going forward, I think I will be buying the garlic for the purpose of growing them, and I'm going to a really good place that has really good reviews. Would help to make the journey to greatness with garlic. You have seen how the other ones are doing well. Have a look at these. Okay, these ones here, look at the guys. They are skinny. They look like their mommy hasn't given them any milk. I have no idea. They look so different. Look at the greenery over there. The green and the difference in size. These garlic aren't so bad, but in comparison for them being planted around the same time, it's definitely. And these ones here are shop bought garlic, I think. Going forward, guys, I'm going to be sticking to a nursery or a garden center garlic for the purpose of growing, just for the sake of what I've seen this year. This is your boy Mr. Green Hands. See you guys next time. Hope I can give you a little tip, a little treat. And don't forget to look after the planet, because we might have to. Oh yeah, we do have to. See you guys later.